Yo. Things are getting tense in South Africa, guys. South Africans have taken it upon themselves to go to social media and express their frustrations. You know what is currently happening, guys. If you're new to the channel, please make sure that you subscribe and you click on that notification bell so that you stay updated with all the latest SA news. Without wasting time, guys, please enjoy the video.
Hayi kodwa osisi nabo balidayisile izwe. Ama-foreigners a-illegal ase-South Africa ayiqhenya ngokuthi baganile la e-South Africa abaney'ngane because osisi bethu nidayisa ngezwe. I-wrong leyo nto leyo ngoba umuntu umegana uyahamba aye la aganele khona sisho isiZulu. Mushadile uyabasuka kini uyowakha umuzi nendoda yakho kubo. So akungabi excuse indaba yomshado ukuthi umuntu use-illegal immigrant eSouth Africa. Abantu abahambe baye home affairs bayolungisa indaba zabo. Ngoba honestly guys, nimosha izwe. Even sinabantu aba-right aba-straight abama-foreigners abenza izinto ngencwadi abayiphethe kahle aba-responsible niyabamoshela. Osisi bethu ningawudayisa umhlaba. That's wrong.
Guys, kuzonuka ikawusi yephara eSouth Africa nifuna ungatsho. Tata uphakela umthakathi uthi unika ama-illegal foreigners i-6 months to voluntary leave eSouth Africa. Kuzonuka ikawusi yephara uthi makuqalwe ngama-Nigeria. Kuzonuka ikawusi yephara bazawubona.
Asking why do protests have to end in violence? I mean, that's a stupid question. What leads to a protest? Frustration, not being heard. People were saying, bro, we are tired of this, but nobody listens. And then you are shocked that it got violent. Nobody tolerates violence, but we have to understand what leads to a protest: frustration. And when people are frustrated, what do you expect them to do? To be peaceful. How do you become peacefully frustrated? I've never seen that before. I think I must try it. In fact, I'm peacefully frustrated. Anyway, Tunyana.
Guys, labana into East London ibona ha uwi liwutshishe Ghana. Labana Ghana last year. Ghana baboni the same thing idraga go East London. Idraga go Ghana. I fitla le Nigeria ba re ke booking. E fitla Nigeria ba re fitla as a businessman. Awa ba re ya dule se galenyana ba re ya reka land e kakang. Land e ngo golo kudu ya re aga palace skolo. Kuri idira Igbo kingdom inside Ghana. But ba Ghana ba strike kudu ba re village ya Nigeria ka re ga Ghana le di boninka. Ghana na ipukile last year. It's just the story challenge, but I think ba di much attention. Mara ntwe itlhaga go East London ithomile go Ghana. Batho ba Ghana ba ba re ke dilo mang Nigeria tlo fitla ka Ghana a dire their own land ba ba re ba dia king ya gona idira le di palace. Yona ntwe la itlhaga mmola ba re ba testametsi a ithomi kwa ithomile bo Ghana. Nigeria a rumulana mara Nigeria a rumulana and le check lately after the statement jabo South Africa belongs to those who live in it by bo cupcake di support ke other political parties ba re he re ntwete ke wa tsa batla ba gatlha Nigeria from that statement, not just Nigeria, foreign guests from that statement, from Salidi Toritori Jedi Tomajar South Africa belongs to all who lives in it. But abapoka the level of entitlement ba ashibale ba campaigner for the councillor go busy nje go busy wa bana no taba yone nke elisiwa ya tshegelo yone ya Eastern Cape Mazulu asieme ka maoto sham big up to Zulus ba tletse di bus ba ile East London ba ile thusha nto because nto la vele re ka ilesa as South Africans it close spread the whole of South Africa re tlo bona movie. So no one thing really sure le bona ba leng sure ka yone because go pukile mo la the Zulus the batushana le batho ba East London abaje shit ba bontsha gore no le tlile kudu jwaje mara guys ra tseba ke cupcakes anja tla first statement le tlo se go story le tlo se obviously ra tsa re o emeletša bomanga kere le izwi lethu le rekišitšwe re rekišitšwe gale rena mo re ka se ikemele ka maoto ra itwela ra ignora batho ba ile goreng ba na le di-agenda because they are benefiting gona ko mafaseng ale ba na le di-interest tše ba di-protector tše e le goreng rena a re tsene moo o tlo bakwa di-statement tše di tlo latelelang that protest e tlagang mole tlabe di le in favor of the guests because ba ja ka nageng tša bona ka e sa re je kowa re je le bona batho ba le ba supportiweng ba le o bona mola be go testiwe mates and I'm happy batho ba borena ba emi ka maoto. Zulus are forever making us proud mo South Africa. Nna ke tsebe ka lena mara I'm very proud gore re ne le Mazulu amongst us because bona ba kgonne go emella ba yo thusha Maxhosa ke Maxhosa ko East London ne ba yo thusha the Xhosas ka mtlholola the Xhosas o dira and a se gore ba re ba thusha the Xhosas ba try go protect South African culture respecting setšo sa rena sa bogoši ba South Africa bogoši ba rena bone le order motho a no tšwelela kwa tšwelelang a rena o tlo ke peya kgoši mo and then ba rena re tshege le di bone ke the next thing o tlo bo tlhagalelo tse le di tlhagang ko Ghana ba re ba reka land ba creator di-igbo bona ba testaments guys a e se ka tshegelwa nto le diragalang mona nna ra e supporta le re ka re kwatela mara nna ka e supporta strike sela a e support a ba gane ka
Yes, siyalingwa eSouth Africa. We are being tested and we are being pushed and they want to see how much we can take. And it's enough. There's only so much we can take as a country. This is it. This is just, it's tiring. Okay? Kuphinde kube khona celebrities ezizothi imagine a country without foreigners that are doing the jobs that South Africans can easily do, that South Africans have been doing. Mind you, if you go most of the hotels, most of the fuel stations, South Africans are there. South Africans are showing up, waking up in the morning every single day because someone in those businesses gave South Africans a chance. Just like they have been given a chance, these celebrities that think now because they've got a few cents in their bank account, they are better than South Africans. Just like these clever blacks who have a few rands in their bank accounts, they think they are better than South Africans, and now they have the gall to call South Africans lazy. We are getting to a point as a country. We are getting to a point where we are being fed up and we can't take it anymore. Continue pushing us. Continue pushing us as a country.
Well, Sanbonan South African in Africa. So I see there's a massive protest that has taken place in the Eastern Cape, and the other day it was in KZN, and people are frustrated. They are totally against illegal immigrants who are in the country and engaging in all these illegal activities. Illegal immigrants. Then there are those who are coming to say, oh, why are you doing this in any? If the system, the law no longer protects its citizens, Maria kono protect abantu abeze illegally la. Asylum seekers with weapons, azange ayibona mina.